Got a Kia Soul today. Got towed in. Has a broken brake line. And so far, this is what I got. The 15 million bolts and nuts taken off of this skid plate. Oh, a kick one. Oh, that's a broken one. We don't worry about that. Okay, so it's got some juice right there. That plate covered. All them lines that are right there that I needed to see. Of course, I ain't got my flashlight. That's why it's all wet. It's all wet. Alright, hold on. Flashlight. Cobalt. Decent. Shop rags. Woo! Okay. Let's see here. Ooh. Looks crunchy right there, doesn't it? Oh, buddy. That's probably the ones right there, I'd say, if I had to guess. I'd guess it's that, you know? So we're gonna replace those all the way. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. That's a lot of brake lines now, isn't it? I wonder where they all go to. So it looks real fun. But anyhow, that's what we got going on today. And then we got this unit over here. Somebody did a fantastic job painting it, as you can tell. I don't even think they took the cover off. I think they just sprayed right over it. It's hard to tell over here. She's got some craters in her. Nice wheels, man.
This side's even better.
What do you think? Look at this shit.
Yeah, it should buff out, man. It is.
We're at the work for it.
That's 1,000. 1,000 bit.
Jesus. We need it to look like that. Like that. Not like that.
Look at the bottom of the fender. Right below the headlight. It's still gotta look better, you know, rusty, but
Basically, we gotta knock all that down. And then buff it back out. So that's what we got going on. It's a good buddy of ours, actually. Truck's really nice. It's a nice truck. One of them Quadrasteer Chevys, you know. Got the rack and pinion thingy down over here, and ball joints and steer knuckle, and they're wild. It's a whole contraption. Frame is done. It's super clean. Super clean. Horrible paint job. It was pretty bad though. Had a lot of clear coat coming off on the edges up here on both sides, on the hood, the roof. We're gonna see what we can do with it though. Yeah. Gonna get to sanding. I'm going to figure out what I'm gonna do with this car, because this just looks fun. Figure I'll show you how we jack stuff up, you know. We're just trying to flex out the suspension, that's all.
yeah, boys.
That's right. Kia.
That's Kia.
Shut up, dude. That's Kia. we might need the bigger ones. The bigger jack stands.
Bigger?
Yeah, like these ones right here that are hidden. Watch the Harley. Alright. That's better. That's better. You know, it'll go down when it wants to. Yeah, that's how I feel about it anyways. Shout out Mac Tools. Okay. Yeah, you won't get her off the pinch well. Right there. That's the one. I'm just gonna jack it up till they max it out, you know. That tire's gonna drop. Boop. See? It's down. Another jack stand. All right, we're up in the air now, dude. What you eating over?
I touched her candy.
Oh, we kidnapped the kid's candy, you know? It's like taking candy from a baby.
They're good.
All right. So I'm gonna check it out. Let's see what we can see. Well, that is nasty. And what's crazy is it's like fine. It's always right there around the bracket. The dang old bracket's holding moisture. Alright, what's back here? A little leakage on the shock, starting to seep. Not bad. Not bad. Oh, it's not terrible. Alright, so this looks like it's gonna be a good time. So it looks to me like they're coming from down here beside the tank, up here. Oh boy. I like how that one splits off, so that one comes up right there. That one comes up, goes right here. Goes up, right there, goes wraps around. Bam, that one. And this one comes around. Yeah, you get it. So, since both of them are leaking, that's great, but I have plenty of room here. But not plenty of room here, since it's on an angle. That sucks. check it out. All right, let me see what I'm doing. I'll get back with you. Thumbs up. Yay. All right, I went and got some dang-done tube nuts and some dang-done unions. And then they didn't have enough, so I found these two. So I also got these, but then didn't pay attention that these are fine threaded, but I'll tell you what, them would work great. But they're fine threaded, so scratch that. So let's go clean these up. About over here doing this thing on the truck. Couple LS engines back here, you know, no big deal. Okay, anyway. I'm gonna see if I can't set you guys up where you can watch me clean these bad dudes up. Car is noisy. Clean those threads up. It's hot. It's hot, bud. It's hot. Alright, I got everything built underneath the car. We got those two fittings on, cleaned up. We got these on, fittings on, unions on. We got unions for that. I didn't want to replace the whole line. It's not really necessary. The rest of the line looked good. It just rested out around the clamp that held it to the bot tube. So, I'm going to show you how to build a brake line real quick. If you don't know, you're going to learn today. I don't need much, I'll tell you what. So right off the bat, it's pinched. No bueno.
Light on the subject, bud.
You know about light there, bud?
You know?
It's like R2-D2's brother
Makes me
had a
look like a
cousin,
crackhead.
that sister or something like that.
R14, 37 Dookie.
Beep boop bop.
Da-da-da-da-da. Gotta make some noise, bud.
Alright, now we're gonna go right here. I'm gonna give it 20. I don't need much. You know, we haven't made a YouTube video in a while either. And it sucks. And we apologize. It's been super busy. It's not even really an excuse, but there's always a lot of people that stop by, and I just don't have the time to film through it all, nor if I want to ask these people, is it okay if you're on video? I just kind of cut it off and forget about it, which is probably not the right thing to do, but we're figuring it out. This is all scraps besides the flare nut and the unions. Oh, this brake line's extra stuff. Let me make sure these are long enough real quick. I'll be right back. They're not long enough. Oh well. Scrap that. Could probably use that whole piece, honestly, so. Well, looky there, it's already cut. Fun test. Okay. So let's go ahead. Flare this old girl. Repping the Boosted Boys merch today. Because why not? Just don't forget to put that on, you know. I didn't put it on yet, because that side's still good. Watch out, Pin. Alright, I'm going to put this bad unit on there, lock it down, start spinning it around. Oh God, junk stuff, I'm sorry. It's not junk, it's just well used, so we'll say that. It's well used. Make sure you don't crack it, give it a little ha, back it up. It's not bad, right? This copper Nikon stuff is freaking... I just don't know why they didn't do that to begin with. Because, I mean... that ain't bad. Now, slide this unit on. Probably won't go all the way up, of course. We're gonna make it, though. And... look at that. That's a minty unit. Okay, now... I I'm gonna need 2 more of these. I don't know how I did not pay attention to that, but whatever. Just need to keep stuff in stock around here, you know, like an actual shop. Really forgetting stuff a lot. Tighten them back up. Another good one. Okay. I'll build 1 more of these, but I have to go find 2 more of these, and I'm not going to bore you guys with that. So, once I find them, build another one of these, then we should be okay. For now, let's see. Let me get my wrenches. Bring you under there and put 1 on. That way you can see what I'm going to do, because I'm going to do it times 2. Alright, let's see. Alright, we're here. Let's see. Can you see? Yeah, you can see. Right here. So, we're going to stick this guy back up here, where it goes. And that one right there, where it goes. And, kind of give it a little twist. It's that's not terrible. Could be worse. Could be better. Who cares? I made that too long. Jesus. Alright. Made it too long. I'm gonna go cut it. I'll be right back. Yes. Small. Okay, so put that into that. That's the wrong side, but it's fine. So it's fine until it's not fine. Where's the other one? It's probably not the right one. Nope. Yay. And that's tight as all get anyway, so. Okay. I got that ram. I'm gonna tighten it up, and then I'm gonna find fittings and build this other one. And then I'll let you know how everything works out. All right. We got it finished up. I'm gonna show you the final. You can see where I made it bleed. Bled the crap out of it. Oh. Basically, that's what I did. Cut out the rod, made sure it was good, put it back in, clamped it, crimped it, put it where it needs to go. I'm gonna put the skid plate back on. But yeah, we bled it. It's got a good pedal. Finally. I've only had to go to the store 15 times because I forget. Some of these are fine threaded and some are not, and I'm stupid, so yeah. But that's neither here nor there. But this one. Doing buff things. But I figured I'd give you a short video because we haven't posted anything in a while. I know it's not great video, but it's something. And yeah, we're trying. We have the Tahoe video that we're gonna put out still. I just need to get on it. That's all. But we figure we throw this in there real quick to show you guys that we're busy. We're constantly busy. There's not if I had the money, I'd have to hire like a full-time camera guy to do this. But yeah. But for now, peace.